TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida. 2 o'clock p.m., 2 hours till that closing bell. Let's see what we have happening in the markets as we're relatively mixed. Dow Jones up 42 points currently, 22,200 on the dot. NASDAQ off 25 points or 0.4%, trading at 64.34. And you're looking at an S&P off 3 points or 0.1%, 24.95. Let's take a look at the VIX as the market jumps around. Not too much volatility premium in this market. Overnight, as we looked like we were going to open much lower, VIX had climbed above 11, currently trading at 10.45. Let's jump over to that Nadex platform, take a look at some of these markets, and we'll jump over. Why don't we take a look at this first? Sure. So we had CPI data coming out at 8:30 a.m. this morning. CPI rising 0.4%. So inflation popping its head up. Estimate was 0.3%, and last month we had 0.1%. So we'll see if inflation really is there, but definitely getting numbers that are putting some fuel in the fire. And with that, S&P 500, 24.93 currently trading. There's our NASDAQ 100, slightly lower, 59.79. We'll see how that shakes out for the final 2 hours of the trading day. Crude oil hovering right about that $50 price mark. Looking at the October contract for crude oil. Natural gas, we had EIA inventories at 10:30 Eastern time, live on the air. There's that 10:30 5-minute bar. Got quite a bid up to over 310 from about 305 pre-news for EIA, coming in with 91 billion cubic feet for EIA inventories. Pulling back a bit, currently natural gas trading 307.5, and gold. As we saw CPI data coming out this morning, that was putting some volatility into the interest rates, whether it's currencies, interest rates, dollar, and of course gold reacting, but gold trading higher after pulling back on the initial numbers. Gold trading 1332. And what else do we have up here? We talked about it last hour, but definitely newsworthy to be aware of. Equifax having their breach affecting 143 million people across the country, almost 1 out of every 2 adults, 1 out of every 2 people in America. Failure to patch 2-month-old bug led to massive Equifax breach. And they were really reacting early this morning. It's rebounded a bit, but let's take a look. And there's Equifax currently traded down to below $90 on that news initially, but got a bid back up to 96, only down 3% for the day. But a far cry from where Equifax has been trading. Stay tuned. Dave White coming up right now in studio. Have a great day, folks.